I'm Mark Perry, I'm team leader for logistics. I've worked at Vaillant 30 years, so you know what I mean, I've seen a lot of changes, a lot of things come and go. I feel that RackEye has really changed the way we deal with damages on legs. We used to have a yearly inspection, so every year a company comes in, checks all the racking, tells us where the damage is. So we get a report from that, and then we get a company in, a local company in, to deal with all the damages on the legs. Obviously, with the installation of RackEye, now we get on the spot, you know what I mean, right at the exact same moment. If we have a trigger with our that we've had an impact, and we just get the phone, come to the phone, we scan the leg, we report any damage on the leg. Instantly, we have a record of when we've got any damage and when we've got any damage on any racking, so we can get it repaired instantly instead of waiting 6 months a year to get it repaired. Yeah, massively changed driver behaviour. Just having these on, the change in the drivers and how they work with the racking is totally different. We have certain pinch points where we know that the racking's, you know what I mean, not maybe in the best position, or it's slightly, yeah, a little bit tight on certain aisles, but now we have RackEye in, we can identify that, and the lads are coming to us now. Instead of if they knock it, they're coming directly into the office to us and saying, yeah, we've had an impact. You know what I mean? So in theory, having RackEye has driven that improvement from the lads, and the ownership is just, you know what I mean, has changed totally. The inspection's really easy, so we have an app on the phone, so we get the app, we get the barcode. It tells us where to go to. We know obviously every leg has a fixed barcode on it, so we go up to that, we scan the 2D barcode, we put in if any damage, we take any photos of that. If there's no damage, we just say, okay, yeah, okay, it might have just been a wobble, someone might have just clipped it, but there's no damage. We can take that and it comes off, and again, you know what I mean, but the maintenance of the racking is far easier now than it ever used to be. Yeah.